Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Minun from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Turn the ellipse into squished sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw nose slightly below intersection. Draw mouth. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eyes. Draw a rectangle shape for the body shape. Draw stick lines for the hand position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw cheek. Draw minus sign on the cheek. Draw cheek. Draw minus sign on the cheek. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw ear. Detail the ear. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw tail. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.